Hi, I'm Mark Phillips. I basically facilitate the product developers in creating the wonderful products that we provide. And today I wanted to talk about specifically some of the hidden pearls in the ES 2026 release. First of all, there's the 20 new fonts that we've provided, plus an additional 10 updated embroidery fonts. These have all been professionally digitised and been tested, so you can use them with no issues whatsoever. Part of the production worksheet improvements, we included the ability to use code 128 for your production worksheet barcodes, and we added the code 39 extended character set as well. Found that most barcode scanners actually work very well with the code 128, so it's an option there for you to use. We also improved the quality of the thumbnails in the production worksheets. Much higher resolution, and they also allow you to show sequins, bling and beads in those thumbnails now, where previously they didn't. Thread charts is another interesting improvement that we made. We've renamed a lot of thread charts in the software. We've combined quite a lot of the thread charts into a single thread chart. An example of that is the Robertson Anton Super Bright Poly. There was about 4 or 5 different thread charts with SBP as the name. Now they're just one single Robertson Anton. We've also added consistently a weight to each of those thread chart names. The other side of that is that we also improved the weight in the thread charts itself, so that the satin auto spacing works much better. So if you select a heavy or a lighter thread, the auto spacing works much better now than it did before. There's been a lot of changes in Embroidery Hub in ES 2026. One of the major changes that was made was adding Brother wireless LAN. That's the ability to be able to connect your Brother embroidery machines to the Embroidery Hub rather than just using an Embroidery Connect device. Some other Embroidery Hub improvements. We added a date added column. This helps when you're looking at the Managed Designs view of Embroidery Hub, to be able to identify when the design was actually sent to the Embroidery Connect device. The other addition is that all of the columns in Embroidery Hub are now sortable, so you can click on any column header and sort the columns accordingly. The other thing with Embroidery Hub is that you now have the ability to send a design to either Embroidery Connect device directly or to the design queue from within Design Library. One of the hidden little pearls with the grids and guides, for example, is we have a sneaky little right-click menu now to be able to manage the guides that you create in the software. By right-clicking on anywhere on the rulers, you can remove all of the guides in one go, or remove just horizontal or remove vertical guides. One of the other benefits that came out of the development of multi-blend feature was the ability to now be able to apply multiple effects to column A and column B objects. Previously, you could apply one effect or another, but you weren't able to apply multiples. You can now do that quite easily. That's it.
That's perfect.